In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures to Trello cards using easy steps. Whether you're new to Trello or just want to enhance your organizational skills, incorporating images into your Trello boards is a great way to visually organize your tasks and projects. Let's get you started with some simple steps. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll find yourself on Trello's homepage. Now, if you're already familiar with the site, you know what to do next. Select the login option located at the top right corner. Signing in is straightforward and you have a couple of options here. You can enter your email and password, or to make things even simpler, use your Google account for a swift login. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your boards. This is where all your Trello magic happens. You'll see a menu or a list to choose from, but for now, click on Your Workspaces. Within your workspace, select the specific board you want to work on. This could be a personal project board or a shared one. It's all up to you and what you're focusing on today. Now it's time to dive into your chosen board and select a card that you want to add a cover image to. Simply click on the card to open it. With the card open, direct your attention to the right hand side where you'll see the option labelled Cover. By clicking on this, you're opening up a new world of visual options for your card. Here you'll notice that you have the option to select a color for the card cover. But if you're not interested in using a solid color, you can broaden your horizons by selecting an image. This choice can bring a more personalized feel to your board and help identify tasks or projects at a glance. Furthermore, Trello offers the flexibility to change the size of the cover to suit your preferences. Adapt the size to either get a full cover look or just a header style to match your organizational needs. If you wish to step further into customization, you can upload your very own image. Look for the Upload a Cover Image button. Clicking this will allow you to browse through your computer files and pick out the perfect picture that you're aiming to use as your card cover. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to incorporating images into your Trello cards. Whether it's a stunning image that inspires your team or a simple logo that unifies the project, feel the benefits of making your Trello boards come alive with visuals. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.